So why you need an integrated SEO writer and link builder? So let's just talk about it. Now what I mean by integrated SEO writer and link builder is everything is automated and in one place. Like including writing content, images, internal linking and external linking, and also adding conclusions, writing conclusions, FAQs, and auto publishing in WordPress or whatever the CMS you're using. So all this can be done using a simple tool called Arvo. So this is packed with all the things, tools you need as a SEO marketer. So you can generate an article using a single keyword right here. You can generate YouTube URL to blog posts. You can also write news articles automatically. And if you go to the blog automation, you can run a campaign and you can integrate to all these available CMSs, including custom API and webhooks, right? So this is how you do it, how you integrate SEO Writer and Link Builder. So all this can be done in one place. The link will be in the description. Make sure to check that out for free.